Studio One Live, Soccer God. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Studio One Live. I'm Hayru the Guru, aka Soccer God. We got some World Club friendlies early in the morning. A whole slew of them. And I got some locks for you tonight. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Hayru the Guru, aka Soccer God. Soccer God. Man, look, man. I'm finna do an in-depth video, man, because I gotta really look at it. I've been missing by one, man. Two, it's been hurting my feelings though, bro. I'd rather lose by a lot than by a bunch, by a little bit. You feel me? I'm gonna show you my last 2 days tickets, man. This is just disastrous. Look at this. Every last one I'm hit, but this one. Look at this. Every last one I'm hit, but this one. They lost. Corinthians, one of them bust them. 1900 I was supposed to hit them. Wait, man. Come on, D. Come on. And look at this one. The next day. Or the day before, day after, whenever it was. Oh, okay. At least these two. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I missed 3 on that one. But still, boy, I be having too many right to be getting smoked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right. So we gotta look at this shit a little more objectively. Cause I ain't gonna lie, those 2 bets, those 2 tickets, I went into the booth and did it off the top of my head and didn't look at it. And then I looked at where I was maybe, you know what, too, on that 10-teamer where I got 9, right? Someone said, boy, you better take one off. I didn't know which one to take off at the time because I was just there. Didn't look at it or nothing. But look at these world friendlies. It start at 2 in the morning. And we just sent us a load. It's not loaded yet. So I'm waiting on the money to load. Send it through Bitcoin. You heard me? I'm gonna take a look at some of these world friendlies spreads. Club friendly. Millwall. I know Millwall for the bill. Real Mercia. Sheffield Wednesday. Damn, they gonna word of. Now this really here is about what country is the better league. So what I gotta do is look up my global football rankings too. Even though they be out of date. They be out of date a little bit. They out of date a little bit. Because Manchester City ain't the best team in that league this year. Bayern Munich wasn't the best team in that league this year. Barcelona wasn't the best league. You feel me? Where's Porto? Okay, we got quite a bit of games tonight and this morning. Norwich. Oh, okay. All right. They ain't gonna let us bet on this one. The only one they got is this Mercia. Let me see. Yep, 4:30 Mercia, and then the rest is the later games. And they ain't got all the ones listed on here. Because they done took off the locks. They took off the locks. They got the locks. Let's look at this Murcia. Spanish at England. What's Spanish they in? Let me see what league they in. I already know what Millwall in, but I forgot what league Murcia in. I like their basketball team though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, they in Group 2. Millwall finna beat the brakes off them boys, man. Millwall finna beat the brakes off them boys, man. From England. Millwall finna beat the brakes off. They never played each other. Give me Millwall. Who else we got on here? I like Millwall. Matter of fact, they should be able to win 2-0. Werder Bremen at Sheffield Wednesday. Where they at? Where Werder Bremen at? Werder Bremen. I forgot what time they play. 8 o'clock. Werder Bremen. They're German. Let me see what England. I think they England Champions League. If they're in the best league, then maybe. Is they in England Premier? I can't remember. I got so many England teams. So they're in League 2. Okay. And they playing against, I think, a League 1 Germany. What damn shit? I think it's League 1. This League 1, boy, Germany. Yes, they're League 1, man. They're in the top German league, man. They ain't gonna be able to mess with England 2 league, dude. They ain't gonna be able to mess with a top German team. What it is? Werder Bremen. Where you at? There you go. And you in the middle of the pack in these boys, man. Man, I like Werder Bremen. Werder Bremen. Yeah, man. They'll beat them by 2-2. Breeder. I like Breeder, boy. Leers Kempenzonen. Man, I like Breeder, boy. Breeder. So I know a lot of these boys already. Let me look at it though. I'm gonna check. I gotta look at each one of them. I'm not gonna live in the Breeder. You know I like Breeder, boy. Breeder, boy. Breeder. Oh, they damn, them boys beating ass and taking names, huh? This an over game then. They gonna score on each other. At Nuremberg. Let me look at Juventus, man. Is this the real Juventus? Or is this a fake Juventus? Let me see. Where you at, Juventus? Frida. Okay, that is the real Juventus. Boy, Nuremberg ain't playing now. I don't know, Juventus. I don't know. Oh, that's Nuremberg. But y'all 2 league? Y'all a bunch, man. Juventus finna beat the crap off y'all, man. I ain't know y'all thought y'all was, man. Give me Juventus. Juventus. So far I got Millwall, Werder Bremen, and Juventus. Locks. He locked, man. Red Star. Red Star. And that's France too. France National. Red Star, boy. Red Star, boy. That's how you know you got fire when you can taste the weed when you're rolling it. Who else we got? So, whoa, that Graf Shop. Bayer Leverkusen. Rayo Vallecano. Norwich and Magdeburg. Boy, I like Leicester. Wait a minute, man. The question though on these world friendly sometimes they don't be bringing all the firepower. Let me see Norwich, Magdeburg. Is you Germany too? Cause Germany too might be just as good as England too. Magdeburg, where y'all at? Is y'all ranked high? Where y'all at? Oh, way down here, man. I don't know, Magdeburg. I don't think y'all can fuck with Norwich. Give me Norwich City. Norwich, boy. 1-11, huh? What's that over and under? There's 3. I'm going under. Man, I'm going under. I'm going under. I'm going under. I'm going under. Straight up. Who else off the top of my head? I like Blackburn over Morecambe. But I do like Fiorentina, like a 3-star. This right here is What else you like? Luton. I ain't fucking with Sevilla. They've been struggling lately. Who else I like off the top of my head? Leicester City. We like Norwich. I like Bayer Leverkusen. They balled out this past year. Matter of fact, I think they won the whole German league, which they hadn't done in a while. They won the league. They haven't done this in a while. 90 point, they ran away with it. They beat Bayern Munich. Look at this, they undefeated. 28 wins, 6 draws, 0 defeats. Boy. But then they let Atlanta knock them out the playoffs. Europa. Y'all tripping. Y'all tripping. Red Star, La Louvière, La Louvière, La Louvière. You know I like Red Star, boy. Miraculous. I like them, but nah. Heidenheim. I like Heidenheim. Boy, I like Heidenheim, boy. Heidenheim, boy. What else we like? Breda. Y'all know I like Breda. Breda. Boy. That's it for Club World Friendly, boy. That is it. We're gonna do some Asians too.